Today's tip of the week is 5 reasons to invest in townhomes.
Yeah, so we really wanted to get this out there because townhomes are booming right now. And when we say booming, townhomes have gone up 19% this year. We were buying townhomes, Tim, last year in the low 300s. And Tim, what prices are they at these days? Those same townhomes?
The same townhouses we were getting the low 300s are in the high 400s. The ones we were buying right around 400,000, which is a really, standard new townhome, newish within 10 years. In the suburbs, we were buying them around 400. Now they're upwards of 550 to 600. So the townhomes have gone up a crazy amount.
Yeah, and the biggest reason for that is detached homes went up so much and semi-detached homes went up by a lot as well. And so the next best option for people that were looking for houses are townhomes. And so the townhouse market has proven to be a winner this year when it comes to categories to invest in. Tim, the next reason is that townhomes are in strong rental demand. There's very, very low vacancies in the townhome market. And the reason behind that, Tim, you were saying the other day, they're not building these complexes anywhere anytime soon.
No, the older type townhomes that are on a very, very big plot of land, there's lots of common area. They're not building them anymore. They're building them with a very small amount of common area, and each has their single garage. It's basically a parking lot with townhomes on it.
Mm-hmm.
So these ones with a massive amount of land, they're not building them anymore. So they're going to be in high demand. And the reason you can charge a lot of rent for these places is because they're on ground level. You can get out and jump in your car and go away. You're not going up 50 or 40 stories to get into your condo on the 40th story of a tower downtown. People can own a pet. They can walk out the door and walk their dog. They can bring their groceries right in from their car. They don't have to go up an elevator ride. So the rental amount that you can collect is generally a bit higher than the same square footage in an apartment.
Yeah, average rents for a townhome right now are roughly around 2,400, and we've seen townhomes on the west side go upwards over 2,700. So there's huge amounts of rents that you can collect, and with condo fees being so low on townhouses, it makes it, which is the fourth reason, Tim, so easy to cash flow. Especially, when you put 20% down, you're buying into a cheaper price range, so it's doable. You could raise that money in different ways, Tim. You could use equity in your homes, or you could raise the cash yourself. But townhome market is easier to get into, and with condo fees being so low, it makes it that much easier to cash flow.
Yeah, and for the investor, there's a lot less maintenance costs involved. Your condo fees take care of the exterior, the building in the common area, like the parking lot and whatever, whatever green space there is. So you, with your insurance or expenses, if you have to do rentals and stuff, you're just responsible for the inside of the building. So that keeps your costs low, and it's very attractive to investors because then you can really, really control your costs.
Yeah, and the reason why we're talking about townhomes for our crew tip of the week is simply because we're still going to see appreciation going forward. As we were saying, they're not building these anymore. If they are, it's in the deep south or the far north communities. So within 15 minutes of downtown, we see these older townhome complexes continuing to go up in value just because how close they are to downtown and how easy it is to access major roads and get around Calgary. If you're looking to invest in townhouses, don't miss our next seminar on August 6th. You can sign up on Meetup. We will leave it in the comments below. And if it is your first real estate investment tip of the week by us, there are many, many more tips on our Crew TV. Just subscribe and you can learn much, much more.
Yeah, so that's our real estate tip of the week.